and my friend Bill, we live a hard life. Went to see The Dark Knight, midnight premiere. I was like, yo, Bill, what was your favorite part? He was like, that part where I got shot in the ear. I was like, man, me too. Huh? Except I got shot in the leg and I think I lost a tooth. Man, we some thugs, right? Got shot watching Batman. Talk about thug life. It was like Bugs Life with pesticides. Better recognize this America, home of the brave. Cause to live here, you gotta be brave, man. There's people that wanna kill you for absolutely no reason. And there's people bombing towers cause of what they believe in. Saying, yo, first grader to school, he coming home bleeding. What? Too soon? Talk about too soon. Send my kid to get an education. Ha, not a bullet wound. He came home like, I got shot, mom. I'm so thug now, I could write a rap song. What? Violence, so sad, need a violin. Flyer than the planes, Al-Qaeda flying in. What's Al-Qaeda's favorite football team? Let me guess, New York Jets. Lambo, suicide doors, tuxedo, got a suicide vest. Osama, this is urgent. You said if I did this, I get 72 virgins. Got a big beard and it's all black. 7 wives and they all fat. 38 kids that call me dad, but I'm too busy killing Americans to holler back. All hell Osama, drive-bys and Impalas. You don't know who I am, no ID on my collar, but I'll kill your whole country in the name of Allah. What up?
In the name of Allah.
Yeah. Alright kids, recess.